Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use templates in Fliki using your mobile phone. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now within the video tab, you can just select on the empty icon which leads you to create a new project. Now please make sure to create a new file name. Once entered, tap on the next option. Now it will redirect you to a template page where you can see the list of templates. These templates controls the layout, text style and overall visual design of your video. You can just scroll through the available templates, then tap on your preferred template. After selecting, you can just tap on the next option. Within here, it will redirect you to the language and dialect option. You can just choose any based on your preference or just leave at the race. Then tap on the submit option. Now Fliki will apply the selected templates to your content, and you can just preview the template through the preview option given at the top. If you don't like the template, you can just customize the templates by editing the text, font, size, colors, images or video clips, as well as the voiceovers and background music. This allows you to personalize the templates to match your style. Then after editing, you can just again tap on the preview option to preview the edited scenes. Once satisfied with the template and the video, you can just tap on the download option to download it. And that's it. You have successfully used template in Fliki using your phone. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.